How do you fly? How does God keep all those clouds up in the sky? A pink sky and a calm, cool breeze. Why so long to get me to my knees? I said, Lord, what kind of man should I be? Now show me a sign so that I can see. The trees grow and bend in the wind, wondering when I'm gonna see my boy again. Those flowers bloom each and every spring, but then those flowers die and grow again. I said, Lord, what kind of man should I be? Now show me a little sign so I can see. No loud voice, no bright lights, just a warm whisper in the night. He said, work like you don't have to. He said, love like no one ever hurt you. He said, dance in the rain and sing like a bird and feel no shame. So I looked all around and I could find that those answers were there all the time. So now, hummingbird, how do you fly? How does God keep all of those clouds up in the sky? I said, hummingbird, whoa, how do you fly? And how does God keep all those clouds up